exciting adventure to the world of storks. Are wonderful companions in the natural world. Under its cold and tall appearance, storks hide magical secrets and unique characteristics that we will discover now. Let's learn about the interesting and surprising aspects of this amazing bird in today's video. The stork is a bird of the Ciconidae family. Often known for its long shape and long legs, they often live in swamps, sandy beaches, and brackish water areas to hunt prey, mainly fish and crustaceans. With its white wings and long curved bill, the stork often creates a certain animation in the natural landscape. This bird is also famous for its ability to fly high and move large during its annual migration. Storks often build nests in high trees or other places far from water to protect eggs and young birds from ground hazards. The migratory journey of many stork species is a miraculous phenomenon that is closely studied and monitored in the fields of ecology and animal behavior. This not only provides beautiful images in the sky, but also provides important information about ecology, migration trajectories, and even the state of the environment. The stork's annual migration journey often involves searching for new food sources and habitats. These storks can travel thousands of miles, crossing forests, deserts, and even mountain passes to reach their destination. This raises many questions about the mechanisms that shape migratory behavior and their ability to shape geography and genes. The stork's ability to fly high is one of the unique features that can help it migrate continuously. The fact that storks can fly up to a height of 10,000 feet, about 3,048 meters, is not only an excellent skill, but also gives interesting questions related to biology and ecology. The high flight of storks is often associated with annual migrations. At the top, they can enjoy the benefits of open spaces, reduced air resistance, and easily cross mountain ranges, while conserving energy during their long migration journeys. This makes research on how storks adapt to soaring environments important. It opens the door to learning about the basic structure of wings and how they interact with the space environment. This information not only helps understand the flight biology of storks, but can also be applied to research into the design of drones and other flight technologies. The stork's nest building technique is a wonderful expression of adaptation to its habitat and a variety of ecological factors. Choosing to build a nest in a high location, such as a tall tree or the top of an electric pole, not only provides a security advantage but is also an effective protection strategy. Building nests in high places helps protect eggs and nestlings from many dangers from the ground, including predators and the risk of habitat loss. It also helps optimize temperature and reduce pressure from the surrounding environment. Stork nests are often carefully built from natural materials, such as twigs and leaves. This not only creates a sturdy structure, but also is well compatible with the surrounding environment, helping the nest to blend better with the natural landscape. Thank you everyone for accompanying us on our journey to discover interesting things about storks. From their amazing migratory abilities to their exquisite nest building techniques, we've seen the diversity and sophistication of this bird's life. See you on your next adventures. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to keep your mind open to the wonders of nature.